Why does your scanner show the P0612 engine code? What does it mean? P0612 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel injector control module relay control. The P0612 engine code indicates that your vehicle's FICM has detected a malfunction or voltage irregularity in the circuit that activates the relay supplying power to your fuel injectors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty fuel injector, relay, or fuse, damaged wiring or connectors, poor ground connection, malfunctioning fuel injector control module, powertrain control module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jaguar, Mazda, Ford, and Range Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel